Yes, hello members, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Earn money easy way. If you are new to this channel, tap on the subscription button, turn on the bell button so that whenever I upload a new video, you are the first person to see it. In today's video, I have brought you a new site. This one is an investment site, but it gives free registration bonus. As you are seeing here, I'm on my dashboard. I'm on the dashboard. If you want to register, the link is in the description, but before you register, first watch the video up to the end so that you cannot skip any part. So as you are seeing, the company, this site has 40k plus investment. It has already made withdrawal of 160k, deposits of 50k. It has 10k users. It has 4.5k happy users. So after you have registered and you have logged in, your account will be like this. On your deposit wallet, you will be having 20 USD, a free registration bonus. So we are going to use this 20 USD registration bonus to accumulate free income. If you don't want to deposit, let us use this one. If you want to deposit, there are other plans I will show you. So we are going to use this registration bonus. Head to these three lines. Then tap on investments. Then there is starter, 20 USD, return 2% every day for lifetime. So we are going to use this one. But there are also other plans. We have Gold 50 USD up to 100, returns 10% every day for 10 days plus your capital. Then there is VIP 100 USD up to 50 USD, 100 USD, return 15% every day for 10 days. Then there is also premium 500 USD to 10,000 USD, return 25% every day for 10 days. So we are going to use the first one, the free. After you have registered, you will get 20 registration bonus. Then we are going to use that one. Tap on invest now. Then pay via pay through, select one. Then come here on deposit wallet, there is 20 USD. Tap on there. Then come here, there is the word yes. Tap on yes. Invested to plan successfully. Now head to my investments here. As you are seeing, total invest 20 USD, total profit 0.00. As you are seeing, return here. As you scroll down, plan starter 20 USD, return 0.40 USD every day for lifetime, received 0. Then next day of payment, it will pay out in 23 hours. So we have invested now. Let us wait for investment time to end as we receive our reward. Then there is also referral program. If you want to refer, head to those three lines. Then scroll down. Then there is a referred users. Then copy your referral link here. Copy your referral link here, and you invite your friends. If you want to deposit, to invest on other plans, there is here the word deposit. Tap on deposit, then select gateway. Then there is Bitcoin, BNB, Dogecoin, TRX, USD. Me, I'm going to use Bitcoin. Then enter amount. Let's say the gold plan, it is for 50 USD. I'm going to deposit 50 USD, as you see here. Then you tap on submit. If you have really liked this video, tap on the subscription button, turn on the bell button, so that whenever I upload a new video, you are the first person to see it. Those who want to register, the link is in my description box. Thanks for watching.